What's up, Sunny fam? My name is Dominique, and welcome to your 10-minute stability ball workout. Today, we're gonna be working in 5 different exercises. We are doing an EMOM style today. If you've never even heard of that, EMOM stands for every minute on the minute. So we're just gonna go through at the beginning of every minute. Don't worry, I will let you know where we are. We're gonna start a new exercise. So you have a full minute to complete 10 reps of each of these exercises, and then we move on to the next one. So if it takes you a full minute to get in 10 reps, you can take your time, take that full minute, then we hop into that next exercise. If you finish at 30 seconds, that means you have 30 seconds to rest and recover. So however long it takes you, the remainder of the time you have to recover. If I've already confused you, don't worry, I'll be right there with you the whole time. So we have 5 exercises to focus on today. So that's 5 minutes through, and then we're gonna go for a second round, the same exact exercises again. Y'all ready to do this? Let's go. So first you're gonna grab your ball. There's not really a graceful way to get onto the ball. We're gonna come into a plank position. So go ahead and come into the plank position. Your shins should be on the ball. All right, first movement. Let's get that clock started. We're gonna pull those knees in and take it right to a push-up. You've got a full minute here, let's go. Pull it in and get in that push-up. If you cannot take that full push-up, no worries. Maybe you just hold that little plank. We have 10 of these here, so I'm already at 3. Let's go, take it down. That's it. However long it takes you to get here, working in that core stability. Beautiful job. Halfway through it, take your time. Like I said, if that push-up doesn't work for you, maybe you get a little micro bend or just hold that plank. We're at 6. Last 3. Pull it in, press it down. Last one right here. For me, that's 10 for me. You can keep going if you have not hit 10 yet. You still have the rest of the time to recover. All right, we're already going into that second one. So we're gonna bring it down, coming onto our backs. Bring those feet onto the ball. Glutes nice and close. We're gonna reach 10 each side. Let's go. Oblique pulls right here. Take your time. This is already 5 for me. 6. Now I'm trying to cruise through it. You can take your time. That's it. And for me, that was 10. So I get the remainder of the time to recover. You still have 20 seconds here to rest and recover or continue on. Make sure that you finish all 10 of those. While you're finishing that, I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through the next exercise. You still have 10 minutes. We're going for some hammy pulls. So heels come onto that ball, hips up nice and high. You pull those heels to those glutes. All right, we go in 3, 2, let's go. Lift those hips up. Pull those heels in towards those glutes. Keep those hips up nice and high. 10 of them here. If you need a little modification, you could drop the hips, take them back up, pull it in. That's 3 for me. Let's go. Take your time here, slow and controlled. Keep that core nice and tight. I'm at 7. Take your time. If it takes you longer, you've got that full minute. Last 2 for me. Woo! And drop it down. Still have 20 minutes to recover here. If you're still working, still work. Push all the way through those 10. I know those hamstrings are burning. Shake them out a little bit. While you still work or recover, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you what the next one is. We're gonna go through some pass-throughs here. So, arms out, ball over the head. As you come up to that center line, your feet meet you. Take it down. Take it back up and through. Let's go, we're working. If you need to bend those knees, take them down right here. That's it. You got this. Woo! Take that bend if you need it. I'm at 8. Take your time. If it's taking you a little longer, that's okay. You have a full minute here. If you're at my pace, 1 more. And recover. Or keep going. That's it. Make sure that you complete all 10. Come on. All right, last movement here. We're gonna come onto our knees. So kind of like a little ab wheel movement here. Elbows are gonna come, forearms are gonna come onto the ball. Keep that core nice and tight. Let's go rollouts. All the way through. and then all the way back. Keep that core nice and tight, shoulders back. As far as you can go down. Really engage that core. Nice work. Woo. So the best part about the ball is that obviously it's called a stability ball for a reason, right? Working on core strength, keeping our balance. Halfway through it, come on. Woo. Squeezing through the glutes even. I have 3 more. If you're at my pace, let's go. If you're not, take it slower. If you want a little extra challenge, maybe you hold for 3 seconds at the bottom. That's it. Last 2. For me, you have 15 seconds. And last one. And back up. Go ahead and towel off, grab water. We take it right back to the top. 2 seconds to go, and let's get started. Right back into it. Knee pulls to that push-up. 10 of them right here. Let's go. Pull it in, or hold that plank. Try to get that push-up in the best you can. That's it. Come on, last 2 for me. Last one. Woo! And roll off that ball. You still have about 15 seconds to recover, so if you're still working on it, take it slow, take it controlled. Breathe. They're not easy. All right, when you're ready, bring that booty towards the ball. We've got those oblique taps. Again, in 2 and 1. Minute starts now. Let's go. Now you can take it as low or as high as you want. Take your time. Protect that spine. Breathe. Killing it. And that is 10 for me on each side. If you're still working, please keep going. If you've taken a break, get right back in, finish those 10 reps. You don't have to come back to this movement, so stay in it. Breathe through it. Grab water, towel off if you've already completed those 10. All right, we go back to those hammy pulls. Everyone's favorite movement, I know. So roll the ball out a little bit more. Drive those heels into the top of the ball. We lift those hips in 5. Big inhale, big exhale, in 2 and 1. Let's go for 10. Lift those hips up nice and high. Drive those heels in towards those glutes. Take your time here. Really slow it down. Fight that resistance. Fight that urge to drop those hips. Core nice and tight. My hammies are definitely on fire. Woo! Halfway through it. Keep going. If you're at my pace, I have 2 more. All right, and recover. You have 15 seconds here to keep pushing or recover. All right, my loves, we're gonna go through those pass-throughs one more time. If those pass-throughs were really challenging for you, I'm gonna give you a different modification. Let's go. Maybe you just take it to a V up and tap those toes, but really try to take your time, grab that ball, come down, come up, and back. If you need to take it to the knees, take it to your knees. Nice work, you can take it here. If the ball flies away from you, that's okay. Grab it and come right back in. Nice work. Finish it off strong. You got it. That's it. Come on, a couple more. Finish it off. If that ball got away from you, grab it and come right back in. You still have 20 seconds to finish this set. Nice work. Beautiful. If you've already completed all 10 of those, take a quick little rest. We transition into already our last movement. All right, we pick it back up in 3, 2, and 1. Let's roll it out. Back onto those forearms. Now, since it's our very last one, let's get a 3-second pause at the bottom. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Stay with me. Let's finish it off together. 3, 2, 1. Woo, let's go. Hold it low, core tight, glutes engaged. That's it. You're killing it. Stay in it. Woo! If you're sweating like I am, perfect. Let's go for 3 more. Come on. You have 20 seconds left to finish this last set. Team, we are inching the finish line. Let's go. If you're at my pace, let's finish it off. 2 more right here. Inhale, exhale. Let's go. Hold it down. Can we hold for 5, 4, 3, 2. Take it back. Last and final one. Let's finish this off. Come on. Woo! And recover. Awesome job, Sunny Bam. You did a killer workout today on that stability ball. Beautiful, beautiful job. Please take a nice cool down or a stretch and enjoy the rest of your day, morning, or evening. I will see you at your next workout.